Hello everyone, friends. On the Kala Weller. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install, well, how to install Git on Windows 11. And to do this, go to any browser and write git download here. Oh, Git. Well, I have it, but okay. Go to the first site. Here we select Windows and select here Setup. Here we open the XC file. Click Yes. Click on the Install button. Well, you'll have a lot of things there to click on next, next, next. Just click next, 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 next. It's just that for me, it's more of a reinstall than an installation, so it doesn't show me any additional options. If he shows you some additional options, then you just agree with them and everything will be clear for you. We are waiting, and accordingly we launch it. That's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.